If you've decided to close your Robinhood account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Withdraw your funds. Before closing your account, make sure to withdraw any remaining balance. You can do this by navigating to the Account tab, selecting Transfers, and then choosing Transfer to your bank. Step 2. Sell your investments. If you have any stocks or cryptocurrencies in your account, you will need to sell them. Go to your portfolio, select the assets you want to sell, and follow the prompts to complete the sale. Step 3. Access account settings. Once your funds are withdrawn and your investments are sold, open the Robinhood app or website. Go to the Account section and find the Settings option to begin the account closure process. Step 4. Request account closure. In the Settings menu, look for the option to close account. Follow the prompts provided to officially request the closure of your account. You may need to confirm your identity. Step 5. Confirm closure. After submitting your closure request, you will receive a confirmation email or notification. Make sure to check your email for any final steps or confirmations needed to complete the process. Once you have followed these steps, your Robinhood account will be closed. Be sure to keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your account status.